Crackers, this morning we will unbox Optimus Prime. This is a transformable Optimus Prime model. So this can be transformed into a prime mover. By the way, I bought this at the Hongqiang Shanghai International Airport last November when we had a tour in China. So let's go. Right. Let's put this down. Okay. Actually, this is a die-cast model. No? Bin steel siya or baka. So, mabigat. Actually, favorite ko to. Ng mga bata-bata pa tayo. So happened that time, hindi natin siya kayang bilhin. That's why, nung nakita ko siya sa Hongqiang Shanghai International Airport, hindi ko na pinalampas. Talagang pinili na natin. Ayan. So, pag-aaralan ko muna bago siya i-transform. Tingnan nyo, nandiyan yung mga gulong niya. Yung mga gulong siya. This is 6x4. Pag na-transform siya into a prime mover or tractor head, this is a 6x4 tractor head. Okay, nakikita niyo siguro to. Ganito yung tsura niya. Pagka tinransform natin into a prime mover. Alright? So, ayan mga ka-trackers. Pwede na natin siya isali dito sa ating mga collection. Kasama ng Shackman dump truck. Right? Alright. Okay. Thanks for watching.